gonna meet up some people in the afternoon and just appreciate life. So let's go. Just walked through a random grocery store. They don't seem to mind I'm recording here. In Hong Kong, I had some problems every time I try to record in a grocery store. Time for some coconut chicken. Yeah, coconut chicken.
So when it's finished, you know that your chicken's ready.
Alright. How much time is that?
6 minutes.
Okay.
Starting to boiling a little bit more. They will turn the heat down a little bit.
Okay.
So your chicken won't be too rough. You know, sometimes people said, oh, chicken breast is so rough, it's not taste good. It's actually because you didn't cook it well. Like, you didn't cook it the right way. If you turn the heat down, usually, and put the cover up, it's very easy to get tender, the chicken. First of all, you give your bowl of chicken soup, and you put it aside because it's too hot to eat. And then you fish the chicken and put it in this bowl.
Awesome.
So you can have it while it's getting cooler. And then have the chicken when the chicken's ready.
Okay. So this is like the really trendy part of Shenzhen, OCT Loft. It means overseas Chinese town, and lots of artsy stuff and hipster things to check out. Yeah, he was my shirt off.